Hello everyone, welcome back to Forex Trading with Sir. If you're finding me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And this video is going to be different from other videos. This is going to be a learning video about trend lines and how to identify a break in a trend line. So when I'm trading, what I like to do, on a trend line, I like to see a trend line hit around anything from 2 to 3 times, and then after that I will look for the break, or if it touches it on a 4th time, I probably will just ride the trend and continue. But in this video, we're going to be talking about the break of a trend line. So it's pretty much easy. That's the trend line right here. That's my trend line. And this is how it will look without a trend line. So when it comes to identifying trends, we want to put our trend line from the lowest point of the market. And as you can see here, you see the touches. See? Touch 1, touch 2, and then the 3rd touch, which is the break. So why I've got into this trade very early, as you can see here, I've got into this trade very early before the trend line broke, is because I was looking at this resistance level right here. As I saw price didn't break this resistance level, started to come back down, so I got into this trade and I waited for the break of a trend line. So that's just a quick explanation of that trade there on GBP USD. So I'm going to remove this right now. So when the trend line breaks, what we normally wait for, and on a trend line, I like to do my trend lines either on the 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. I say the higher the time frame, the stronger the trend line will be. So with this trend line, as you can see, the market has come down and we get a red candlestick, which is a closer below the trend line. So now we've had this red candlestick right here close below my trend line. What next we wait for? This candlestick here, the second candlestick, also is a strong indication, another evidence that this trend line is now broken. So as you can see, the trend line is broke and the market starts to head towards the downside. So what we're happening right now, sometime when the trend line breaks, what you will see the market will do, it will like to push down, come back up and retest this level right here of the trend line, and then continue going down, down, and probably make its way to this level, right, this price level right here. So when you're looking out for trend lines, when you're trying to draw your trend lines, just remember you want to see it touch around 2 to 3 times to get a strong indication of a trend line. Sometime your market will look like this. Once you see it do this, then you can also, and it pushes up and break above this higher high, then you know this could be your first point of a trend line. So once you see the market pushes up and come up to this level here, come back down, pushes back up and break this lower high here, this higher high here, then you can draw this point as your trend line. And that's how you identify the first point of a trend line. So that brings it to the end of this video. This is just a quick explanation of how I look out for trend lines and what I look out for. Just want to say, if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if it's helped you, and I'll see you next time, people.